My eyes are so freaking red. But what is happening? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Chev. If you're new to this channel, welcome, wagwan, to this Jamaican and extended Caribbean family. You can go on ahead and subscribe down below. So today's video, if you can't already tell by the title, it is going to be a get ready with me in Jamaican patois. I am Jamaican, born and raised. I live in Toronto now. So that is just a little, backstory on who I am. I will jump in and out of standard English and patois because that is just how I naturally speak. So if it all jumble up and all over the place, like, not even watch that. That is all. The only thing I'm concerned about right now is just my eyes. I don't understand why my eyes are so red right now. Like, what could have caused this? I bet I'm gonna go wear dark as like Tanya Stevens and Spice. And also, before we even jump into the video, I'm already telling them to subscribe. I'm gonna say someone still not subscribe yet. So you're already here, so subscribe. Alright, I'm gonna stop tap now. Let's get into the video. My lip them never offer so dry. Oh my god. So I'm going to need to remember that I need to look directly into the lens of this camera because it's a new camera. I feel very weird. I don't know why I feel weird because my last camera didn't have like the actual flip out screen, and I just feel weird. I hope this video come out good because if it don't come out good, I'm gonna be really upset. I'm just gonna be really upset. I'm gonna need to keep and remind myself, look directly into the lens and not on the monitor at the top. Anyway, so we're gonna start off the video. Obviously I'm barefaced and I'm not on my wig because I have on the struggle braids right now, okay? So don't judge me. I just have a bone for pick with winter. You see, you take up yourself, but you not come off foreign. I live in Toronto, Canada, and the place just never have a cold. So the thing too is I don't really mind the cold because I don't really go outside like that in the winter. But you see the thing now, because I have eczema, and then the place so dry, and then the heat from inside the house, my skin dries out completely. My skin just a crack up and stay real bad. No sir. And oh, I was using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filler, and that's what I'm going to use to prep and prime my face. And then I'm going to use this Mario something. Wait, this not focus. Ah, bomba, yes. My last camera, I had the Canon, what was it? The Canon, I think it was T6. So it didn't have like that autofocus thing I GWAN. So the camera have the autofocus. So I'm just on the face to focus. That take too long. See that? Bam! So I'm using this Mario something skincare facial mist. So I'm gonna just spray it up on my face to give me a little bit of hydration. I've been obsessed with this thing since November, so I absolutely love that. I use it before I put on my foundation and after because I just love how it feels. It just have one about that things. No, my skin dry, but it still gets oily when I wear makeup. So I'm going to use this MAC Mattifying Primer. And nope, not today, whatever. So this is basically make my foundation look more matte instead of like overly oily, which is weird because I tend to use foundation when I have oil base like that. So I don't know what I'm going for that. If you're not new to my channel, I have never worn a loop nose ring. I always have my little tiny stud. So me with my enough self, so I want to try something different. So I'm gonna go for more like a loop. But I don't want a plain loop. I want something with bag of things on it. So I'm gonna get this now. I'm never sure if I like it at first. I say Then I'm gonna look for my stud nose ring and can't find it. If I leave my nose bare, it's gonna cock up. I'm gonna go through the process again for pierce it. So yeah, we're just stuck with a nose ring here. So this is what we're working with today. I also use a poreless primer. I know I have a bag of primer, but listen now, my face just really need for prime because my pore them open up like a Sunday morning. Now here what? I look dry out and white, but it shall all come together. But not even gonna pretend and do my eyebrow on camera and then it gonna look shake up and just now going with nothing. Okay, now that my eyebrows are done, well, I'm not done yet, but I need to like clean them up a little bit. So I'm going to use Too Faced multi-use sculpting concealer, and this is in the shade Butterscotch. So I'm gonna just clean up my brows real quick. What is this? Oh, call me. Hello, good afternoon. This is Siobhan speaking. Alright, look more later. Bye. Like, I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. It took a hot minute to get my eyebrows somewhat together, and them still look like say them are distant cousin, but we can't bother for business. So now it's time to do my foundation. No, you know, I'm gonna understand with people. My friend, look a bit. Why people always start off a shady statement or comment with not to be shady or not trying to be shady or whatever. From the start the sentence, so sis, you know, say yeah, be shady. You know you're trying to be shady. So this girl comment, found a picture of them and say, not to be shady, but that's the wrong shade. Like, you know, I can't take criticism, you know what I'm saying? But she's like, no shade, or you know, just the statement in which you say something. Yeah, true shade, sis. Yeah, true shade. Like I know I'm in the struggle. I said this in my last couple of videos. I'm in one struggle right now where I just can't seem to find the right foundation to fit me like really well. Like, I'm not understand living out Toronto or just in a very cool place or somewhere that goes through different seasons, like drastic temperatures. Like my complexion just keep on a change. Like, you just have different tones and undertones but just get on my nerves, and every time I want to change up my foundation, I just want to know which shade is my shade and stick with it. Like, I have Fenty 420 that not suit me no more, so then I tried the Maybelline Superstay, and I've been really using this for like a good hot minute, and then now it's too orange, you know, look right. So then I tried Too Faced, and first I got recommended Spice Room. That was so dark on me, I couldn't wear that. Then I tried Chev. It now works. So, you know, I'm not even business. I'm gonna just mix two shades together. And so I got my mom had the Fenty Beauty in 430, so I'm going to end up having to, ooh, girl, what are you doing? So I'm going to mix it with my Chev from Too Faced. So I'm gonna just put that on the perimeter on my face. I didn't mean to put it right here, so but too bad. And then, oh girl, okay, and then I'm going to use the Chev from Too Faced, and we're gonna mix the two of them together and see how them blend. So now I feel like I've used too much of the Fenty. I feel like it's gonna be really orange on my skin, but just can't bother. So I'm taking a I'm taking a damp beauty blender, and I'm gonna try to blend that out. Now you see how kind of orange that is, and I think that is coming from the 430. Now you can see like this is a cooler tone or a little shade down from what I would use in the Fenty Beauty, which would be in 420. So I'm just like a blend it out and see how it looks. I just really can't bother. I think I need to add a little bit more of the Chev. As I live in Jamaica and I go through them struggle about seasonal foundation. It's like you have 4-5 different tones of foundation. You know, girl, this not working. This looks too orange. I'm gonna try the Maybelline, and this is a warm coconut, and then I'm gonna just put this on. Why people keep on message me? I'm gonna put this on in this area. I'm just gonna stick with this 3 shade combination, and that's that. You see, one thing being on YouTube has taught me is to like be very calm, because some things that some people say, as a Jamaican, I just want to tell them about everything underneath them and more. But the thing with YouTube, it teach me how to be very calm, and it teach me when to ignore people. And that is one of the reasons why I started the segment on my channel about giving like loyal subscribers shout outs, because like instead of like highlighting negativity and focus on negative people, I just ignore them. I ignore negative comments. My loyal subscribers and the ones that like are very nice and supportive and really learn something from my videos, I make sure for like, you know, give them shout outs, because I don't like dwell upon negativity. When I give negative people attention, them thrive panic, because of that them want a reaction out of you, so you don't give them, you kill them. It's either that or when them come with the negativity and you kill them with niceness. When you kill them with a nice comment, like you don't style them and done them like how you really want done them in your head. Like when you see the comment, you just style them, you just tell them off very nicely, or you don't say nothing at all. It just make me laugh, because me and still like, sometimes even the people who commit the nastiest things or the most negative things, them not have nothing going in them life. And it's not really only related to YouTube, but like in our real life, the people are always full of negativity, nothing good not going in them life, so them have to take it out for you. Like in the one last video, like I post this hairdo and like this girl comment underneath it and like basically she has said, you really come, well, I don't know if she's Jamaican, but I just put this in all like patois. You really come on YouTube and post a video here? I mean, I look at the video like, me never watch the video again. Come here, say like, what am I doing on the video makes sis say if me really come post this on YouTube for say like, basically she has said she not like my style wig, but me have to like, am me a wear it or are you a wear it? That's a question. Me a wear it or you a wear it? I mean, I said to myself, say girl, me so mad for tell her say let me see a picture of how you look right now. Come on, know how you look for make you come over here so make you feel like say you have no type of say with all me choose for do my ear. But just nice answer and say girl, everybody have good days and bad days. But me looking at the mirror, I'ma like what I have on. I'ma like the hairstyle and how I style it. I was very proud of myself with how I style it. And so that is that. Come and judge my hair. Your own must be in top form. So the next time you feel like say you want to say something negative to somebody or for comment on them appearance, just take a hard look in at the mirror and say, am I in the position physically to say anything negative about this person? I can never see myself go up on somebody's page or comment something negative. If I see something, I scroll something, I'm in a particular like that for myself. But just upon it, I'm like, damn girl. And then continue scrolling because you know why? I don't have time for eat for nobody. And I not even say I eat that, you know. But I don't have time for negativity. I not even tell now which concealer. The same Too Faced concealer I just use under my eye. I just try blend out this foundation and concealer ratio and dimension on my face. Because I don't know what I'm going right now. From what I'm just getting really bad creasing under my eye. I don't know what is happening, so I'm trying this thing. One of my subbies, she suggested that after my blend out under my eye, like she said, like really blend out the crease. So she said after I do that, I must take some powder. I'm gonna use the buttercup powder, and she said like set under my eye and don't set the crease, because if the crease still there and you put on the powder, it has set the crease instead of taking it out. So you have to make sure that the crease come out first. So she said lad me on my list. So she said just set it before it start crease up for me. So I'm gonna hope this work. Me for wet the brush though. The brush I try. I'm going like a and on my own. Not enough to return to sender. So now like how that on, I'm gonna just go back with the buttercup baking powder or setting powder, and I'm gonna just add another layer under my eye. And this is just for contour. Hey, big things are going over here, so I put some on my chin, on my nose, and I know I already did a drill. I'm gonna put too much on my forehead, but I have to do this for soak up the eye off of my forehead. So now I need for those shadows. So for this eyeshadow situation what we're gonna do today, I was thinking I want to do pink. Come on, the pink shadow before. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set, or rather put some more concealer for my eyelids. We gotta try something new. I got this palette on Amazon for like $18, and I'm gonna try this and this. So them two colors. But I'm not even know what I'm gonna start with the lighter one, and then I'm gonna start from the outer corner of my eye. So basically I try a thing today. But I'm gonna have a decent makeup day today, because you know I have good and bad makeup day where makeup assess everything and it's a pop on it and with a bag of things they have days your makeup just not so nothing at all. I just ask for decency, that's it. I'm not even ask for much. I'm just actually go out with a little bit of something. You know, I'm not too greedy, I'm not too extra. Although I behave extra right now with the pink hair, because I'm not even wear pink. You see what time? You know, I'm gonna take up things where you don't usually do. It don't always work out, you know. So by the grace of God, me ask it for work out, because I can't bother. Okay, so I think that's pink enough. So my battery just dead, so I had to pause whole production for my battery charge a little bit. I am so stupid that I forgot to buy an extra battery. So now I don't want to get battery me I live with. So anyway, so I'm taking the darker pink now, and then I'm just gonna put it here. Can y'all see that? I'm just gonna blend that in. And as I said, this is a palette that I got from Amazon, so it is super pigmented, super pigmented. And as you guys can see, there's not much fall out, so thank God for that. Yeah, yes honey. Yes, goody girl, come right up with a pink. I don't know why my eyes get red every time I start film. I think the light start to affect my eye. I don't know. Let me just take the brush and just sweep this in this way. Alright, what color should I put in here? Okay, so what I've decided to do is I'm going to take this purple. We're going to add that. I don't know if I like the purple in. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with the light pink that I did first, and I'm going to put it in between the two shades that I just did. So I'm gonna put it there. If you guys can see, I have no idea what I'm doing. Oh Lord of mercy, where y'all go, sis? I'm just gonna take a blending brush just to like, I know, make the transition look smoother up here. So you see, just have to stick to things that you know. I'm more of a earthy tone type of person. I like browns and gold and like very subtle shades. This is still not me, but I only me I follow and I do it for. Now I'm gonna take this NYX white liquid liner. So I'm gonna take this and put it on my lid. So wish me luck. Whoa, girl, what you are trying to prove? You know what I'm gonna mess up? Right, for my own safety, I'm gonna do this off camera. Oh God, I'm looking hella weird. I know I look a little bit weird, but we're gonna fix that just now. So I'm going to take a little bit of the setting powder and just put it here for some contour. I'm gonna put a little bit back on my nose and then a little bit for the next side. And while it's a bake a little bit, I'm going to use the mascara to like touch up my own lashes. As soon as I add powder to my makeup, either eyeshadow or face powder, my eyes just get red. Oh, I forgot. I almost forget, but you want to put a little bit of pink on my bottom lash. Not my bottom lash, I mean my bottom lid. And I'm using the bright pink to do this. Oh, my opening I look like Freddy. Jesus, my God, I'm blind. I'm blind. Alright, good, sir. Almost done. We're gonna set. So we're gonna use two things to set. So I'm gonna use, well, this is not to set, but this is just to add back a little bit of moisture back into my face, and this is to set. So I'm going to use the same Mario thingy-majig that I used before, and I'm gonna use the Too Faced setting spray prime thingy-majig. So I'm gonna use this first, and then I'm gonna use the Too Faced. Okay, now that I looked on the foundation combination, it actually suited me, so I had to use 3 different foundations. Forget my proper shade. For my lips, I'll be using the Fenty Balm Diamond Balm Lip Gloss. And then to finish off, I'm going to use the Fenty Diamond Balm. It look kind of dirty. In a dirty, just have makeup residue on it. I can also use the MAC highlight. I love this highlight. I'm going to use this MAC highlight to also highlight. And yeah, that is that. Okay guys, now we have come to the end of the video. This is it. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you like the look. If you want to see how I'm going to do this here, I should have a tutorial already up on how I did the style, so you can have a look on that afterwards. If you want to see more get ready with me in Jamaican patois, all you have to do is make sure that you give the video a thumbs up. Make sure you share it on Facebook, share it with an auntie, share it with a cousin, share it with a mother, share it with everybody. And also, if you haven't subscribed as yet, make sure you subscribe. So make sure you give the video a thumbs up, and make sure you also spam the comment section. Tell me what you guys think of this video, and you can also give me other suggestions. Look there, my mouth just all over the place. If you have other suggestions, if you have other requests, other options, other video alternative videos, any type of video, whatever, just comment down below. Now it is time for today's featured subscriber of the video, and this goes to Forever Jamaican. She gave me the idea of doing the whole setting my under eye so it don't crease. So thank you, girl, for the tips. You are a real one. I know you're not gonna have me out in the streets looking all crazy. If you want to be a featured subscriber in my next video, all you have to do is make sure to subscribe, make sure to have the post notification on, and spam the comment section so I can feel your love. And that is it, and you will be the featured subscriber in my next video. And that is all my phone today. Go and big up on yourself. Bye guys. Mwah.